Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a good weekend, and well, I hope you will have a great week. But welcome to this new video on Jasmy, your daily updates. We're going to do a full update. I have I'm relatively more bullish on Jasmy for reasons we also talked about yesterday, but some things have changed in the market, as most of you know. So we'll talk about that. We'll talk about the possible effects that has on Jasmy. Can we actually expect a rally finally? Can we expect a breakout? Etc. So hopefully I'll try to, in general, I'll try to prepare you as well as possible for Jasmy, what can happen. Also talking a little bit about how I will trade Jasmy. I do have a couple of trade ideas on Jasmy. I've been looking at it daily for like months now. So I've become quite I'm not sure what the word is, but I'm quite experienced with the price action right now. But let's get right into it. All right. The one thing that has changed is the fact that the market is more bullish right now. Bitcoin got a big bullish breakout above 62,000 with momentum. So we still have to kind of confirm, and we still have to see whether this breakout can actually stick. Because a breakout from Sunday into Monday is quite risky, and that can also turn around. So we still have to wait for that. But as we talked about yesterday, Jasmy at this moment is very much consolidating. All right, we're consolidating with a slight bearish bias, I would say, like some of the EMAs. And the EMAs in general, if you look at that band, it's slightly trending down. All right, so that means that the average price slowly is getting lower. Which is, I mean, we're not in a downtrend, because you can see this support level right here at 2.8 with this beautiful straight line has been holding us up relatively well, right? So I think it's more of a consolidation. But if we don't get some sort of momentum from this consolidation due to the slight bearish bias, eventually we will drop down to 2.6 and 2.5, which is a major support level down here from which I will probably buy. All right, so that's the first trade I have in mind. But then we have to drop down. And in these circumstances, I'm not sure if we'll be weak enough or volatile enough to drop down there. I don't know. I'll be ready. I have price alerts set. I have orders set. Or no, I don't have orders set yet, because I want to see the market circumstances first. But you know what I mean. But I'm not sure if that's possible. But what I said yesterday is that, all right, well, we are consolidating. Excuse me. So there's two things that can kind of elevate you out of that consolidation, and that's if Jasmy gains momentum. So we'll have a brief look at that, and what we can see there, if it loads up relatively quickly, is that, you know, there's some sort of momentum gain this morning, but overall it's still kind of in the same up and down pattern. Or what I said is we need a more bullish market, and I do think that we have gotten that. Like I said earlier, we do have to still kind of see whether this breakout will stick, but I tend to believe that it will stick. All right, and that means that if the markets are more bullish, Jasmy has a chance as well to break above its main resistance level at 3.3 cents. And I would even go as far as saying that if Jasmy breaks above 3.2 cents right here, because it's kind of an area right here, which we need to break above to turn bullish, like breaking above 3.2 cents or even 3.15 cents. With momentum, I think is enough to be bullish on Jasmy, and I think the chances of Jasmy turning bullish have become higher. Now, what we still have to see, though, is that momentum. All right, what we need to see is that the open interest for Jasmy, look, right now, open interest has gone up a bit, but the CVD is not amazing. So what we need to see is that this open interest actually starts to rally sustainably, because every single time that Jasmy has been bullish, that happened. All right, so we have to wait for that. Until that happens, I don't think we'll drop down lower due to the market circumstances, but I do think we'll stay in this consolidation. So that's what I expect for now. If we gain momentum, I'll try to put out an update as soon as I can, because then we can break out, and then you need to be on alert for that. But for now, this is the most likely scenario. All right, so that's what I wanted to say. And those are my takes for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care. And bye.